Welcome back to Product Profile. My name's Sean and today we'll be diving into all the details of the brand new V600 power amplifier from Dynacord. The V600 is a 4-channel power amplifier for small to mid-size installation scenarios, such as background music and clear voice announcements in applications such as education, hospitality, retail and houses of worship. The compact 1U design means the V600 can be easily installed and scaled to suit your needs, as well as benefiting from easy handling and trouble-free operation. This versatile amp can be driven in 4 ohms, 8 ohms, 70 volt or 100 volt without compromising the available output power. The amp also has a total power tank capacity of 600 watts and is the first of Dynacord's new V series of amplifiers. Now I bet you're wondering what I meant by power tank. Power tank is a reservoir of available amplification power that is deployed flexibly across 4 channels of the amplifier. This means you could deliver asymmetric power across all channels, up to 300 watt per single channel, in any way that is needed. This is perfect for those applications where you need to drive multiple audio zones with different power requirements. In addition, there's no need to set up power tank, as it adapts to the requirements of each zone or output without extra manual configuration of each individual channel. This goes hand in hand with Dynacord's patented variable load drive technology, which is built into the V600. This variable load drive technology, or VLD for short, offers the highest flexibility in terms of output power and operation mode. For each channel, the user can determine whether low impedance or high impedance 100 volt speakers are driven without output transformers via direct drive technology. In low impedance operation, each amp channel can be driven in 0.1 ohm steps with virtually any output power. Another great feature of the V600 is the addition of dualCOOL technology. The dualCOOL thermal design means the amplifier typically operates as a convection-cooled amplifier, but in extreme conditions the amplifier is also equipped with an intelligent multi-speed fan to ensure maximum performance and reliability in any application. This also helps reduce energy consumption of the amp, as the fan isn't always switched on. This also means the V600 can be used in quieter applications such as house of worship and mid-sized theatres. Talking of being more energy efficient, the amp also features Dynacord's ecoRAIL. ecoRAIL dramatically reduces idle power consumption while still providing audio output, full system supervision and a capability to restore full output power without any delay. At low modulation or idle power mode, power consumption can be reduced by more than 50%. All while the amp stays active and fully functional. This significantly lowers environmental impact and cost of ownership, with absolutely no compromises in audio quality or operational safety. APD, or auto power down, also contributes to further optimize efficiency. This helps to reduce energy consumption by automatically powering down the amplifier when no audio signal is present. As soon as a signal is detected, auto wake up will immediately enable the amplifier to be fully operational. When it comes to installing the V600, the single cable installation feature of AmpLink provides easy installation for all 4 channels without needing to wire all the connections individually. This is compatible with RJ45 connector wired devices and means you can be up and running in no time. The amp is also equipped with a PFC Power Supply and protection feature, which is usually reserved for more higher-end power amplifiers. This means that the V600 resists complete shutdown situations and will always perform at its best under all conditions. Now let's look around the physical product. On the front of the amp, you can see we have several LED indicators relating to channels 1 to 4. At the top we have a device or channel fault indication which allows you to easily recognise when there's something wrong and on which channel the problem has occurred. Moving down we have the limit LEDs, which indicates if a channel is being overdriven. Next we have a signal indicator, which shows you whether or not an input signal is present on the specific channel. And finally, to the right of the LEDs, we have a power on-off switch. Moving around to the rear of the unit, there's an ISC C14 mains input. To the right of this, we have a remote on input, plus the RDY and FLT output. Moving along the back, there's the amp mode and speaker EQ for channels 1 and 2, as well as the signal input and speaker outputs for both channel 1 and 2. And in the centre of the amp, we have the AmpLink input we talked about earlier. On the opposite side of the back, you get the additional inputs, outputs, amp mode switches and speaker EQ, this time for channels 3 and 4. And finally, you have the level controls with a centre lock, so you can always tell where 0 is, even without clear visibility. Included in the box is the amplifier and mains cord, 1 Euroblock remote connector with 5 pole, 2 Euroblock input connector 6 pole, and 2 Euro block output connector 4-pole. You also receive 2 19-inch rack mounting brackets, which come pre-mounted, as well as 4 rubber feet for tabletop operation. And finally, you get a quick installation guide and safety booklet. And now you know all about the brand new V600 power amplifier from Dynacord. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave us a like and comment, and subscribe for more exciting product profiles. We'll see you in the next one.